Hi, today in front of me we have Y35 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on that device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and in the search bar we should enter green Apple keyboard. Now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, tap to open the app and click Enable in Settings. Near Green Apple Keyboard, tap once on the switcher, click twice to OK and go back. Then tap to switch input methods and switch your keyboard to Green Apple Keyboard. Now we can see that the process is finished. So let's use the app search to see the new look of our keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as all of these emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.